As you can see, that's a really big one that broke off from that tree. Always a lot of branches and other stuff that comes to our yard. As you can see all over there, so I walk by, all kinds of branches. But we also have another one that I can get a view of that broke before. You can see it again. Here's the other one that you see up over the building that's hanging. And we were without power from about 8:30 in the morning until like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. See all these things. There's my gas can that I was meaning to get, but it got blown away. You can see all the debris on our, all comes from this big looking dead thing. You can see the neighbors had a little bit of damage, or tree branches. That's pretty much all, but I see another piece of soffit. Got to find that piece. Oh no, it broke away. Wonderful. That's rotted, Dad. It's not good. Not good at all. You can see that soffit that's still hanging. The other piece I was able to get before it blew away. Look at that, man. The tree hung there for all day, up in those wires that you can see. Yeah, there you can see them. Hopefully you can see them right there. But the tree was stuck up in them, almost to the ground, bending those wires all day. We finally fixed it.